The Story of an Ice Cube Phases Solid, Liquid, Gas, featuring Trevor the Ice Cube, by Jennifer Luthard. Hope you enjoy! It all starts far, far away in a place called the Village of Ice, where Trevor and his family lives. The story starts off as Trevor being in the solid phase, and when you're a solid, you have a definite shape and volume, and your molecules are really tightly packed, as you can see in this picture. This is an ice cube, and inside these little circles are the molecules, and you can see they're really tightly packed. One night, Trevor and his family were having dinner, and they thought of going on a vacation to Indonesia, a really beachy and hot place. And we all know ice cubes don't go there. After dinner, Trevor and his family started packing for the vacation and leaving to Indonesia tomorrow. The next morning, Trevor and his family took a flight to go to where they were going on a vacation. Goodbye, Ice Village. We're here. We're in Bali. And it totally feels different. Whatever. Trevor didn't care about that different feeling he had compared to where he lived, in the Ice Village. He told his family that he'll be relaxing on the beach, enjoying the sun. What a beautiful place to relax peacefully and sleep. Oh no! As Trevor was falling asleep in the sun, he started to melt. This was because of the heat from the sun, which was melting him. Trevor is now in his liquid phase, and his molecules are less tighter than when he was a solid. As you can see in this picture right now, they have more space in between the circles. And he has an indefinite shape, but he does have a definite volume. And the phase change from a solid to liquid is called melting. Trevor is now a liquid, but he doesn't realize it. He's just sleeping. As minutes passed, the heat that was around Trevor made him evaporate, causing him to turn into gas. Wait, where's Trevor? Oh, right. He's right here. Remember? He's a gas now. He evaporated. Trevor is now in his gas phase, and his molecules are really loose, as you can see right here in the picture, and can now move around more freely. And the phase change from a liquid to gas is called vaporization. Now that Trevor is a gas, he can go anywhere since his molecules are super loose. He was really worried because he really missed his family, and he really, really regret sleeping in the beach. He went to take a flight to go back to his village to see his family, and he was worried that he wouldn't turn back into a solid again, so his parents wouldn't recognize him. But Trevor was just fidgeting around with all the buttons in the bathroom and all that, and he apparently turned the hot water on, and he noticed fog and cloudy things that appeared in the mirror, and he touched it, and then he suddenly turned into a liquid. Trevor finally arrived in the Village of Ice, and he was so excited to see his parents, but remember, he's still a liquid. But the temperature is really cold there, and then his molecules started to become tight again, and they formed more molecules. So Trevor turned into a solid again. The phase change from a liquid to a solid is called freezing. Thank you for watching my ice cube story. I hope you enjoyed. The images that were in the video were from Google Images.